Okay, what is going on, guys? I'm bringing you another Java programming tutorial. Today, as you can see from the class, we are going to be talking about methods. And I'll start right quick. I'm sorry if you hear this buzzing or humming or something. It's my laptop's fan. I don't know why it's really loud, but it is. So if it's really bad, I'll just cancel. But all right. So we're going to start off with methods. Methods, you can also call them functions. They pretty much run your programs. You can put anything inside a method. So back in these old programs, for I'll open them up, this hello world main is a method. You can make any type of method you want. So as in this, we can make a public int add, which takes in, and these are the parameters now, which anything that goes inside of these parentheses right here are parameters. And right now it's giving us an error because we're not returning an int, so we can just return null, and that'll give us, and let's do return 0. Return 0, okay. So that is the base way of doing it, or you can get it so that it'll add two numbers, int a and int b, and both of these integers will do a plus b, and we can do right here, we can do a return, if I can spell it right. And then if we quickly do a public void static main string args, we can do public static void main. What am I doing? I'm putting these out of order. Sorry, I've been programming a couple of things in C++ and just need to get back into it. But we can do a system.out.println of add, and we can get the numbers like 2 and 5, and let's make this static just so we can use it inside of there, and don't forget that. Okay, so now we got that. I'll run it, and as you see, we can use 7. Takes the two numbers 2 and 5 and it adds them. You can do the same thing with like a public static int multiply, and do int b and int c, and return b times c. So we'll do that right underneath here. We'll take this code, copy that, and we'll do the same numbers. So now we'll run it again, but instead of add, we'll change this to multiply. And we run that, you'll see that we get a 7 and a 10 now. So it's taking these numbers, it's adding them, and it's taking them again and it's multiplying them. There's so many uses for functions. Everything you write, you'll be putting it inside of almost everything you write. We'll be putting inside of a function because it's just easier to do things. Besides like integer like variables and stuff, like I would just go put out here some random data like static int d. Start with these bland names. 5. You don't need to put that inside of a function. That'll just be inside of the class, but all of these are just regular functions. You can make functions also private, just like a class. You can also make it protected. I'll talk about that in a later video, what these all mean, but for now you just need to know you can add these. You can put things inside these parameters. You can put anything inside of the parameters. Just make sure you have a comma separating what each like object item is inside of it, and then if you have something being returned, you have to return that value, or you can have a class that just doesn't return anything, such as this one, which is just void. In that case, you don't have a return statement and it'll just do something. So you can do you can make a static int f, set that equal to 0, but then you can set inside of this function f equal to b times c. So then when you go inside here and you print off f, it'll give you, let's give you an error right now. Close that off, and we do it again. Let me see, f is going to see. Oh, here, I'll tell you. This is where it's going wrong. First, you gotta run it. Silly me. Multiply 2 and 5. multiply Let's see what the error is here. Let's do that. There we go. Print line. Do. Oh, there we go. Right here. So that'll be F. We'll move this down. Then we'll just put in here multiply. So this is just gonna run it. The function multiply with 2 and 5 as the parameters, and then it'll print out what F is. And there you go. See, F is now changed to 10. That is because it ran this function, set F equal to B times C, and it sets F then equal to what those are, which is 10, and it prints it out. So it's just a basic overview of functions. I'm still trying to think of what to do in the next video. As you can see, it's a continuous thing. I always try getting these videos out in time. I know it's been a while. I'm going to definitely be posting more videos this week. Thursday, expect 2 videos to drop, and Friday 2 more to drop. It's going to be a new series I'm starting. I really hope you guys like it. I know I'm going to like it for sure. So just let me know what you guys are up to, and if you guys want to see more videos like that, then let me know. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe like usual, and I'll see you guys later.